Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders trainings, and we have the whole world market down. Singapore Nifty is about 213 points down. So let's get down for 5 power breaths. That's what we start from. So let's take our 5 power breaths. Okay. So just sit straight with eyes closed. When your senses are closed, you go into the space where you can relax. So keep your eyes closed. Take the awareness on your breath. Watch your breath going in and coming out. Just be with your breath. Be with your breath. Let's start for the 5 power breaths. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Keep your eyes closed and be with your breath. Today's affirmation, repeat after me mentally. I am in the right place at the right time doing the right thing. Repeat after me. Again, I'm in the right place at the right time doing the right thing. Once more. I am in the right place at the right time doing the right thing. Repeat it internally. Affirmations are powerful ways of changing your life. Once more, I am in the right place at the right time doing the right thing. Once more, I am in the right place at the right time doing the right thing. On my count of 5, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please open your eyes slowly. Good. So, can all of you hear me properly? See the screen properly? This is just 5 to 7 minutes in the morning we spend. Any queries? Any questions on this, guys? Anything you would like to ask me while I sip my tea that has just come? Praveen says I'm feeling really, really good. Very nice. So what happens is that way you start on the right note. Once the stock market starts, your whole brain will be agitated. A trade going in your favor, trade not going in the favor, basically. So yesterday also turned out to be a good day for me. 21,675 rupees of profit yesterday. So this whole month, again, a good month going on. 5,58,000 is my profit on my 15 lakh rupees of capital, 37% returns. And this was my trade yesterday in the FNO, where I was mostly doing Nifty. And this was the trade in stocks, where maximum money, as you can see, was made by AWL, Adani Wilmar. And as expected, Adani Wilmar is going in our direction, then Tata Power and Zomato. Sheetal can say my favorite time of the session. Yeah, I'll try to make it more creative, Sheetal. So that's what we look for, go for here. And I'll start my day with profits because the market has, if you see here, just yeah. So the whole world market is down, and my target for Nifty is about 16,400. It'll open at about 16,993. 16,993 पे खुलेगा अभी. And I am short on the market. So here, so hopefully when the market opens, I should be having about maybe 12 to 15,000 rupees of profit. That's what I will be having in the start. So my day will start with profits. And now let's look at the level. 15,900, the market will open. Let's check out the market here. And as expected, what the market is doing, it is retracing back the whole candle. पूरा candle को retrace कर रहा है market यहाँ. And now this level is not so strong because it has come on this level once, twice, 3 times, 4th time, 5th time. The market is coming on the level. Rajesh Gupta say, will you book profit on opening? Of course, Rajesh, I'll book profit. And today, 9:30, I'm going to go and meet one of the traders in Pune. Every Tuesday, I take lunch with one of my successful traders. If they are in Mumbai, they come to me. If they are outside Mumbai, I travel to them. I don't want my traders to travel to them. So today I'm going and meeting Saurav Malve, 24 years old young guy who makes about 4 to 5 lakh rupees a month. He has no need to do job for the rest of his life now. So today we are having lunch together in Pune. So every week I meet one of my successful traders over lunch. But that is my decision. The traders can't ask for it. I have to invite them. So the day you get invited, that is the cue you have. Then on the first week of March, I'm traveling to Dubai. There I'll be meeting Amol Gogle, another of my successful traders from Dubai. Samir says, I was lucky. Yeah, Samir, but you are good. Every Tuesday for me is very important, but because I meet one of fantastic traders. Great guys. So that is the market weakness. But when the market will open 213 points down, we have seen the market as a habit of retracing back. If you see here, that's exactly what the market did yesterday. Here, if you see around here, see, this is where market opened gap down, same as it will do yesterday. About 180 points the market went gap down. Second candle was down. Then from here, when you thought it will go and crash down, it started moving up and filled the full gap. Fill the full gap. This is the gap filling that happened. After that, it went up. And then by the end of the day, it was again moving on the downward side. You can see these channels that are happening. It's a pretty simple market to trade. ये market simple है trade करने के लिए. You can see you can make continuous money on this market. It's a simple market to trade. Like 4 continuous winning days of about 1,40,000. So, what to do in this market? Like when the market will open, if you have a short position, you will book your profits. Like in our swing trade, we have short positions going on. I have my own short positions going on. Then or else you wait for about 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes आपको wait करना है तब तक. Let's say we were looking at AWL. So today AWL went down. So more or less what we expected, guys. Operator ऊपर लेके जाएगा उसके बाद नीचे. So the target of Adani Wilmar is 225. इधर वापस घूमता फिरता आ जाएगा. Fundamental तो कोई है नहीं. So this is the level. So we can. This is one trade that you can continue to work on, Adani Wilmar. But I would not suggest as the market starts. Wait for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then see the trend and go for it. So that is one that you can look for. Then, of course, our Paytm, our original ATM is Paytm. So Paytm also down to 807. I'd given a target of 700 when it was somewhere around this level, and it is already down to 800. And I think 700 is what is. पर अब से देखना अब क्या होगा. पेटीएम उतना फास्ट नीचे नहीं गिरेगा थोड़ा है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत गिरावट आ गई है अभी. तो there is a term called dead cat bounce that we are looking at here. Now, yesterday it was banks that were strong. It was banks that were holding the market, and बहुत सारे लोग बोलते रहे निफ्टी गिर गया, बैंक नहीं गिरा, मैं बैंक शॉर्ट करूंगा. नो, buy the strength, short the weakness. Banks are not weak, so don't be in a hurry to short the banks. Banks sideways hai. You can create directional neutral strategies in them. They're more sideways, but banks for the moment are weak. And if banks become weak, then the whole market will become very weak. So let's quickly see the sectors. what sectors are strong in this market, what sectors are weak in this market, कौन सा सेक्टर स्ट्रांग है, कौन सा सेक्टर वीक है. If you look at auto is a fairly strong sector. It has not really corrected very severely down. Banks are a relatively strong sector. Commodities has started showing a weakness, a strong weakness. High, lower high, and once it breaks this level here, look, ah, hmm. I have heavy arguments going on outside between Dhavishta and Vedant. We are in a cleaning thing. Yesterday they threw away 22 of my shoes. So last time he came, he threw away almost 300 clothes. So we are in the process of saving our things because he has a belief that anything that you don't use for 2 years, you should throw it away. So, and he's very firm on that. So he takes them and give it to a charity. So we are saving our things for being given to the charity. Like, look at this. It breaks this and it goes down. Consumption, very weak. CPSC, weakness coming. Energy, weakness coming. Financial services is weak compared to the banks. The banks are being held up artificially. FMCG is already very weak. This was a very expensive sector. Now showing weakness. Infra weak. IT has lost a substantial amount, and IT is forming a flag pattern, continuation pattern, which will take it further down, maybe around this level of 28,500. So 28,500 looks to be a target for IT. Media is weak, metals is showing weakness, MNC weak, pharma weak, private banks. Banks are still strong. PSC, PSU banks weakness, realty weak. So overall, except one or two sectors, there is weakness coming. But then this is also the time when there are many stocks which starts coming below the Bollinger. Especially look at stocks which will come below the weekly pulse. So there you will have a retracement up and you will get some long opportunities in. Great, guys. Give me your stocks, the stocks you want me to see for you. I think I'll be booking profits in my trades in the morning itself. Okay, Anil wants to know about Gati. Gati ki Gati kya rahegi? Gati. Wipro, SCL Tech, Hindalco. Hindalco. Adani Port. Reliance. Okay, so just say, can you hold puts or sell in the opening? Sell in the opening, I think you're getting a good profit. Never allow a profit to turn into a loss. I don't have this. Then Maruti. Maruti, then LT. Okay, let's start with these. Then I'll take more as time is there. So look at Gati. Gati has done a substantial amount of correction. And if I look at the levels where, like, this is the base level where it started moving up from. So this looks with the market under a downward pressure. So this looks to be a reasonable target for Gati, maybe about 125. But 125 is a reasonable level till which you can see a Gati going with the Gati. Wipro, if you see Wipro really rallied up, and you know this was one level. It has not stopped at this level, and I think this is a strong level to buy Wipro. It has come already once on this level, but if this level is broken about 525, then there is a downside in Wipro almost till 400 rupees. Market moves from level to level. Market moves from levels to levels. Then HCL Tech, if we see, like, for example, in this one, I'm adding a Ichimoku. You're seeing here, Ichimoku gives me a reference. So here, the reference is clear. There is further downside into this one that I can see. Hindalco was on a double top. Remember, we identified Hindalco here around this level. We identified Hindalco double top here. And you see here, it is continuously moving down. Metals have started showing weakness. And Hindalco will continue to. Yesterday, there was a big drop down in Hindalco that we could see. These patterns work wonderfully well. Adani Port, look at Adani Port. Adani Port is, again, very, very volatile. So I think you stay away from this. I say, जो trending नहीं है, until unless you are good with option strategies, these are the stocks you stay away from. So wait for it to break below this level. See here? Once it breaks below this level, below 690, then you can go short on this. For the moment, it is just volatile sideways. Reliance is again volatile sideways, forming a head and shoulder. Weakness in Reliance, and Maruti is still strong. Hey? Maruti, in fact, this would be a good trade to buy today. If you want to buy a stock in the market when the market opens 200 points down, this could be a stock to buy Maruti. Because Maruti has strength, Maruti is moving up, and there is money flowing into Maruti. So, with the market 200 point down, so you can buy Maruti. But obviously, not just buy. You wait, see that there is a uptrend that is going up. If the uptrend is established, then you can go for buying Maruti on this. Then you can also do a scan. Just a moment. So, so these are the two stocks you might think about a buying opportunity when the market opens about 200 points down. One is Ultratech Cement, which is hugely oversold now. Selling, selling, selling Ultratech Cement. So that's one. And another is UPL. UPL is much better. Instead of Ultratech Cement, UPL is much better. It will be almost there on a double bottom. So if you want to buy a stock in the morning, it might be UPL that you will be looking at. UPL can be buy put option. Why will you buy put option? You have to buy a call option. I'm talking of a long trade, Sandeep Batra, short नहीं. Market खुलेगा तो नीचे खुलेगा, right? And this is Larsen and Tobro. So that's the market, guys. Still, let's check out. Market is down about 241 points. It has gone further down. So be ready for a negative opening. I'll be happily booking profits when the market opens. And all those who are in short positions with me yesterday, many of you are in swing short positions, we will book our profits. So great, guys. Have a very good morning, people of the intraday club. I'll be meeting you in the next 3 minutes. I'll be opening the session and then let's do our live trading. So those who want to be part of the intraday club, just contact my team and they'll help you out on this. The number is 9892330009 and that is the number of Nikhil Doshi. Great, guys. Thank you and see you. Have a good day.